Hey, welcome to this video. We're going to look at 5 of the best Coursera courses for beginners you can get on this platform. First on the list is Python 3 Programming Specialization, offered by the University of Michigan. You can get enrolled in this course and it's 100% free to start via the links in the description. I'll leave specific links to all these courses mentioned at their specific time stamps as well. You earn a certificate at completion, which you can share, and it's online, flexible schedule, 100% for beginners who are just looking to get started in Python 3 programming. Now, it's specifically taught in a variety of languages, which is English, Arab, French, Portuguese, and so much more. You can read more about the course, you can see what you need and what other students say about the course. Sign up by hitting here on the yellow button right here to get access to the course. Next is Python for data science, AI, and development. Now, this covers a lot of information depending on what you want to learn. So if you want to learn Python for data science or Python for AI or Python for just web development, then this is the course for you. So offered by IBM, you can enroll into the course by hitting on this button right here, and once again the links are available in the description of this very video. They have flexible deadlines and you can get a certificate of completion, 100% online, beginner level, so you don't have to worry about learning advanced stuff right away. Now you can check out the reviews from other students that have enrolled in this course as well. Then there are other courses that they feature down here you can check out as well. Third is the Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate. The reason why I like this one is that it's specific to those who want to take up Google careers and it's offered by Google themselves. So if you take this course and you want to get a job working with Google, then this can be a great start for you. And remember, you can take other courses as well. To enroll into the course, hit on the yellow button right here to enroll. You get a certificate of completion at the end, 100% online, flexible schedule, beginner level, and you can be sure to complete this in about 8 months. It's offered in a variety of languages as well, which you can see right here. You can also click on show more to see if your language is offered as well. You can read more about the course, check out the reviews from other students as well. Next is the computer science programming with a purpose. This one allows you to learn computer programming. It has decent reviews. To enroll, just click on this button right here, offered by the Princeton University, and it's online, beginner level, flexible deadlines, approximately 88 hours with a variety of language options to choose from. These are the instructors. You can check them out, reviews from other students, and you can earn other degrees as well online. Next is the machine learning offered by Stanford. So you can check out this one here. It's a very good one for those of you who want to start machine learning as a beginner. Then you can check out this one, being taken up by over 4 million students. You should be sure that this is a great course for you as well. Hit on the white button right there to enroll, and it has flexible schedules, a certificate you can download at the end of your completion, offered online, approximately 61 hours with a variety of languages offered as well. Now, since it's offered from Stanford, it's a very good course. You can be sure you're getting the best quality content, market standard, so you can also check out the reviews from other students. That's gonna do it for this video. Check out all the courses mentioned. These are the 5 best ones that are good for beginners in 2022. I will make a follow-up video with more courses that you can check out on this platform.